Okay, our first placer got 94.3%. Goes to contestant number 1 second. Thank you so much po sa ating mga Tibiganos who are always there para po supportan po ang bawat event po ng ating po barangay officials and SK Chairman and SK officials. Thank you so much once again. And then, ladies and gentlemen, our first placer. It's you, candidate number 6. Ayan. Ladies and gentlemen, our first placers goes to contestant number 4. To present the award, may I call in the presence of Miss Mauricia Joy Pesa and also our barangay chairman, Honorable Noli Peña, and SK Chairman, Honorable Zoran Barroja. Once again, thank you so much, contestant number 4.